Xiamen Kairun Co Ltd is the leading manufacturer of airline catering items in China. Our factory is located in Xiamen City. We produce condiment packets such as pepper packet, salt packet, sugar packet, creamer sachet, etc. We supply to famous airlines such as American Airlines, Air Canada, Delta Airline. We also deliver them to domestic plasticware factories to pack with plastic cutlery for exportation to America, Europe, and Middle East. Besides that, our products are also served to popular restaurants, cafes, hotels in China. Kairun are continuing NSF education, have passed FSVP audit, and also certified by HACCP, SCOU kosher and BRC. Our associated factory is equipped with 17 injection machines, 7 packaging machines which enable us to provide prompt delivery. The products include rotables, trays, disposable cutlery kits, salt and pepper shakers, food packaging lids, etc. We have certificates such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and BRC. We are also under annual social compliance audit conducted by SGS. Our long-term customers includes Ethiopian Airlines, Egypt Air, Qatar Airlines, Air New Zealand, Air China, etc. We currently supply for more than 60 airlines either directly or cooperate with brokers, and also work with branded food companies such as Del Monte. We keep providing creative ideas to meet what customers need. We sincerely welcome you to visit our factories.